Hello, and welcome to this on-demand training where you will learn how to use Google Drive and Google Docs. Google Drive is a program that allows you to store and share different files on any device from your Google account. Google Docs is an online word processing software where all the documents and files can be saved to your Google Drive. In Google Drive and Docs, you can access your documents from any place at any time. Multiple people can work on the same document as well. All NDSU faculty, staff, and students have a Google account associated with their NDSU credentials. To log into your NDSU Google account, simply search Google Drive into your web browser and then select Sign in the top right corner. Use your Bison login and accept your Duo push. From the Google Drive, you can upload a file from your computer by clicking New and File Upload. You can also upload and create folders. To go to your Google Docs, select the Google Apps in the top right corner and select Docs. To create a Docs page, you can start a brand new document or choose from a template. Any documents you create will automatically be saved to the drive. Now that we know how to upload and share files, let's look at some other important features in Google Drive. My Drive is your personal storage space unless you choose to share a file with others. Shared drives are used by teams to have a central location for files. Shared drives is helpful when you work with your group members on a class project or in peer review in your coursework. Anything that is sent to you can be accessed through the Shared with Me tab. The Recent tab will show documents you have recently opened, while the Star tab will show you documents or files that you have set as important to you. To star a file, hover over it and select Add to Starred to the right. The Trash tab is where your unwanted files go. Right-click a file and select Move to Trash to delete it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding Google Drive or Docs, please contact us by calling us, sending us an email, visiting our office at QBB 150C, or following us on Instagram at ndsu.laic.